Hello everybody, welcome back to the Reset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Bluetooth not connecting on your Google Pixel 11 Pro XL. So first, what are we going to do is we're going to go over into the Bluetooth. So this is very important. We're going to go to the Bluetooth settings. Let me just unlock the phone normally. Here, tap on settings, and on these settings, we're going to go into connected devices. Now let's tap on connection preferences, Bluetooth, and here disable the Bluetooth, enable it back. This is a quick restart, and let me just quickly pair my device to show you what to do in that situation. You should see available devices. Now I got my AirPods right here. We're just going to quickly connect to them. We're going to leave from connection preferences and go to connected devices. As you guys can see, we got my AirPods here, and we're going to tap on a gear icon. If your AirPods or any other headphones are just not active, they're not paired, we're going to click forget device and forget. Now I'm just going to close my AirPods, and now what are we going to do is we're going to go over and simply pair them again. So we're going to click here. Now we want to double tap the case and until it's white for me, and it should pop up any second in the available devices. We're going to tap on it and click pair. As you guys can see, you probably heard the sound of my AirPods that are connecting, and now they're connected. Of course, if it's not working for you, then what you guys want to do is update your software. Open up System and open up Software Updates. Tap on System Update, and here you can check for the latest version. Make sure that you are on one because it's very important that your software is up to date. So that's it. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, then make sure to leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.